What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. And I have to say that everything is actually aligning. Believe it or not, the Santa Claus rally is looking like it's really going to come and fairly soon. And let me just go ahead and show you guys all of this news, charting data to support my narrative. Before we get started today, I want to share with you guys an amazing offer from WEBULL. All you gotta do is use my link down below in the description. If you create an account, you will get one stock for free, valued from $3 to $300. Now, if you fund your account with any amount, the keyword being any amount, even $1, you will get 4 more free stocks valued up to $8,000. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very generous offer from WEBULL, and they reached out to me and told me about it, and I said, you know what, I have to share it with you guys because this is crazy. Literally, if you create an account and put $1 in there, you will get five free stocks valued up to $8,000. So I felt the need to really share with you guys because this is a limited time offer. It is starting right now as of this recording and ends December 31st, 2021. So please make sure you get into it so you can get a very good deal on WEBULL. All right, folks. So what do I see with the markets right now? I do want to go over a concept of boring is good. You're thinking, hey, John, what the heck? Who the heck likes boring? Well, I'll tell you who likes boring. I do. And I will explain to you guys why the concept of boring is good is actually going to blow your mind and change your perspective of the word boring. Let's go ahead and cover some news, folks. Stocks rise for a third day from Omicron scare. Dow gains 200 points. The Santa Claus rally defined and the chances it occurs this year on Wall Street. Will there be a Santa Claus rally? The bulls say yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing the markets. By markets, I'm referring to the stock market. It's pumping up. People are getting very excited about the stock market and they're starting to flow their money into it. This is partially due in part to the president's forbearance of educational loans. Now, if you don't have any, you're thinking, who cares, right? But I'm telling you, folks, over 50 million Americans, including me, myself, are in that boat. That is quite a bit of people, folks. And to put things into perspective, the folks in my age group, 25 to 40, these are the ladies and gentlemen that are putting the money into the markets. Now, if you hinder these folks with the student loans, they have a lower amount of disposable income that they are willing to invest into the markets. So now we're seeing the mainstream media start to cover the Santa Claus rally. And do not forget, folks who have stocks, guess what? They now have cryptocurrency. Not every single individual, but a large majority, the cohort in my age group, we believe in cryptocurrency. I can speak for myself and some individuals I know in real life, not everyone, but I would say a large amount know about it and actually invest into it as well. And of course, that's a very small sample set, so I don't expect my scenario to be your scenario because obviously it's a very small data set and you know how it's easy to skew based on statistics. I won't get into all that, but I want to be transparent and did mention that so I don't mislead anyone. Let's go ahead and get a temperature check of the cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin is still up 1.63% for the week at the current price of $49,115. There's a reason why they call everything the altcoin market and only Bitcoin is by itself. There's a reason why they are the market leader and the store of value, because you have many individuals like Michael Saylor, Tesla, Elon Musk buying and hodling tons of this Bitcoin. Ethereum is down 1.61% for the week at the current price of $3,993. Solana is barely up anything, but the current price is $183. XRP is up 20% for the week at the current price of 99 cents, almost $1. Cardano is up 7.79% at the current price of $1.40. Well, why is Cardano up and Ethereum down? Well, as you all know, Cardano is marked as the Ethereum killer. Luna is up 38% for the week and the current price is $91.42. And Luna is also deemed as another Ethereum killer because, as you know, they are another layer 1 blockchain. Avalanche is up 15% for the week, not bad. Current price $120. Polkadot $27.86. Dogecoin, my first love, is still at $17.79, stagnant, stuck in the water. Shiba Inu is up 8% for the week at the current price of $36.32. So ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing Bitcoin still being the market leader, and there is nothing that can touch it as of this recording, as of this moment. Ethereum is pulling back a smidgen, I suspect, because people are taking profits to pay taxes, to buy gifts, etc., etc. So we're seeing some room for the quote-unquote Ethereum killers to take some market share, like Luna, like Cardano, like Avalanche. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now be covering the Bitcoin charts on a daily perspective. So far, the chart is looking phenomenal, and I'll tell you why right now. On December 21st, 2021 here, the low was at $46,588. The high was at $49,389. Now we zoom in here, we can see the following 2 days, December 22 and December 23rd, we can see that they are both trading at the upper bound on December 21st, 2021's candlestick here. Now, folks, you're wondering, okay, John, why do we care about this? Well, I'll tell you why, because this is a bullish sign. This means people are buying up the dips sooner and sooner. You can see on December 22nd, 2021, the high was at 49,858. Now for December 23rd, 2021, the current high is 49,339, but the day has not ended currently. And as you can see so far, we're seeing a bullish momentum on the candlestick here. We're seeing a wick on the bottom side, and we're seeing the body move up. So this is a very positive sign for the Bitcoin bulls. And as you can see here as well, we are still inching towards the resistance of $50,272. And as you can see here, when I drew this little orange squiggly line here, follow my cursor, I was saying that we will probably consolidate around here for some time and then break out to the cup and handle formation on a longer term. So folks, we are currently on path, and we are currently trading on the upper bounds of the limit on the Bitcoin charts. So this to me is a very, very bullish sign. Okay, folks, I know I've been covering Bitcoin for some time now, but there's a reason for that, because Bitcoin is literally the market leader. There is no getting around that. Whether you like it or not, it is what it is. And the reason why I gave you the concept of boring is good at the beginning of the video, well, let me go ahead and start explaining to you guys right now. Now, we can see that we are consolidating on the upper bound of the chart that you saw previously. Now, this is boring to watch it consolidate at the upper bound. However, though, the mind-blowing thing here is that the longer it consolidates at the upper bound, this tells me people are willing to buy it there. And if there's anyone selling there, well, they are probably a dummy, and the folks are buying up those dips ASAP. Now, the moment people get bored of selling around there, that is when we see the movement to the upside. But it'll take some time before we go higher, because currently we are in the middle of the consolidation zone, which means risk reward is a coin toss, 50-50, up or down here. So most folks with big money, they are not willing to bet the big money yet, because if you're going to do a 50-50 chance, why am I going to risk my big money for that? Heck no, right? I want to do either high risk, high reward, or low risk, low reward. I don't want to do a 50-50 true and false test. And that's why boring is good, because once the folks with the big money see this and think, okay, you know what? I can see we're consolidating for some time here. I don't see many big buys or sells, but you know what, dude? I think this is the time to go. Boom. Just like that, you see a big spike in volume and big money coming in. And guess what? That triggers the bots to buy as well, because these bots are programmed to look for certain signals in the market, most of which I would say is volume, because that's the one thing you cannot fake. When you see somebody putting in big money, boom, That is your cue to follow the smart money. Get up to $250 of free Bitcoins using my BlockFi, link down below in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at the Evergrow coin charts on a 15-minute perspective. And ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, this is actually a very bullish sign for EGC. Before I just cover the concept of boring is good, well, guess what? It carries here as well. We are currently seeing the Evergrow coin bulls trying to break out of the 6782 resistance. We are consistently seeing the bulls trading at the resistance level, and they're trying very, very hard. But you know what? We tried once, twice, 3, 4 times now, and we got rejected 4 freaking times. But on December 22, 2021 here at 5 p.m., somebody came in and bought $127,000 worth of Evergrow coin. And it pushes up, and we got rejected on next to no volume. So what does it tell me, folks? This tells me the mass majority of the retailers, they are still selling their small positions, and you're seeing larger, big money folks coming in to buy the dip. And when they do that, you see a nice big green candlestick, and then you see the small retailers selling down and pushing the charts back down, folks. Now, to me, this is actually a very bullish sign, and I will tell you why right now. Because the whales are currently positioning themselves at the 6782 resistance to make that into a new support. So this means that the whales are buying right below 6782 to create the new floor to push it up. Eventually, it's gonna break through 6782, and you're gonna see 6782 become your new support, which was once your resistance. And ladies and gentlemen, do not forget, folks, we are getting very close to the Santa Claus rally. We're seeing the stock market and the Bitcoin cryptocurrency market moving towards that direction. Get $25 in crypto.com. Use my referral code, link down below in the description. Leave me a comment down below with the keyword of boring, because I want to know who are the real ones. And most importantly, stay safe and have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.